How to add vignette to your pictures in Photopea. I already drag and drop my image. In the next step, I'm going to draw an oval shape. So I grab a shape tool, ellipse, and then you can draw oval shape. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. You can always grab it with your move tool, with the transfer controls on. You can even stretch it and adjust this a bit. The color of it doesn't really matter. So I'm covering almost the whole picture like that. All right. And now I'm going to select this shape. You can right click on the shape and click select pixels. Or you can just hold Command or Control and click on the layer. With those pixels selected, I can now invert the selection. Select, inverse. So I got everything outside the shape selected, and that's where we're going to put the black color in. So simply grab a bucket with paint from the tool list, make a new layer, and click in that area. Perfect. Now we can deselect, select, deselect, and you must be now careful which layer to delete, not the one we just made. Delete the shape layer. And here's our vignette. It's a bit too strong, but we can blur this. So let's apply filter blur. And then decide how much you want to blur this vignette. If it's still too strong, you can control the opacity using the slider. All right, so that's our vignette. And as the final touch, some of you probably want to desaturate the image below to look a bit more retro. So we can do that as well from the adjustment panel. We can head to adjustments and like move the saturation down so it looks a bit like old washed out picture. All right, that's how you add the vignette in Photopea. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.